I'm not gonna lie to you. This is one of my most essential tools to cut down on cardboards. All right. Now I do influencing videos, and I get a lot of products, and unfortunately, the products come with boxes, and boxes accumulate so much that they don't fit in my garbage or my recycler. That I end up getting one of these. Now I own three of them. All right, but this is a lot better. The only reason that it's a lot better is because the other ones take a proprietary connection. This one actually is only a type C connection. That means if I lose a power connection for anything, I could charge this pretty much with any device, any kind of connection. Now, in order to make it work, you have to hold down the handle, but because it's a safety issue, you have to hold down this button too. So you hold down this button and this one at the same time. All right. Now, there's a couple of things you should know. The blade is, they include an extra blade, and I did buy one before. They did not include the extra blade. Now it's essential to replace it every time it gets rusty or old. It comes with its own casing, which this is never going to see this because it's going to be utilized so much. So right now I'm going to demonstrate exactly how I break cardboard boxes down. I get a bunch of inventory. I start taking it out and I got to get rid of it. So we're going to put this to use today. Great timing. It just came in right now and we're going to use it. Let's break all these boxes down. First of all, I like to take out the tape. Even though I could cut, oops, even though I could cut the tape, I still like to cut these into halves, so much easier. And break it down in pieces. Break this one down too. This recycle, it's easy to break down with this tool. You could use it for cosplay. You could use it for making piñatas or maybe designs, or like I do, just breaking down the actual cardboard. So pretty much for any hobbyists out there or in need of something like this, paper is the way to cut this. If it could cut this kind of cardboard, it could cut pretty much a lot of different materials. So hope you guys enjoyed this video.